Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be cooking some red beans and rice with some smoked turkey leg and sausage. We also gonna have fried chicken, sweet potato, and cornbread. And these are some of the ingredients that I'll be using. I have the smoked turkey leg over here in the beans. I am using the bag of beans, the pinto beans in the bag, which I soaked and put on last night after I cleaned them. And the smoked turkey leg, I'll be shredding the meat off of here. So come on, you guys, let's get started. Okay, y'all, the first thing we're gonna do is start on the cornbread. I already have my 2 eggs in here, and I put butter in my cornbread. So I'm just gonna go ahead and add that to the bowl. And this is Jiffy Mix. Add a little milk to it. Stir that up. So we actually having a Sunday dinner on Thursday. Today Thursday. Okay, our cornbread is ready to go in the oven. I'll put it in the oven when I put the sweet potatoes. So far, the only thing I added to the sweet potatoes is the pineapple and the butter. So now I'm going to add nutmeg, some vanilla, about 2 tablespoons of the vanilla, some cinnamon, brown sugar. Maybe I should put this over here so you guys can see how much I added. And now I'm just going to add the brown sugar to it. And some pineapple juice. And I'll cover that up and get that in the oven. I have the meat shredded now. So we're going to add that to the beans. In here, I have the orange bell pepper along with the green one. And I also have jalapeno pepper in here. I'm going to add that into there also. And we're going to add from cutting the green onions. I use this because I don't want to throw it away because food is so expensive. So I just put this in here, but I take it out once the beans are done and add some onion, some white onion. I also add basil. I love basil, y'all. And we're going to add some crushed chili pepper, some Cajun seasoning, accent, complete, tomato sauce. It's down. And me personally, I add 2 cans of the tomato sauce. Now you're probably wondering, what am I doing with this here? This is kind of weird, and you do not have to do this. But for me, okay, so I see my water is boiling. I washed my rice already. So I'm going to go ahead and add my rice to my water. Now back to the Z. So I don't want those beans in here, but I love the seasoning that's in here. So I just usually just pour it through here and just shake the seasoning on there. I don't want those beans. Those beans, I don't know what kind of beans those are. I never seen a bean look like that in my life. So I just shake this in here and just let that cook. So we're going to start on the chicken and the sausage and probably take the rice and the cornbread out. Okay, so now we're going to be working on the chicken. So I'm going to start off with some black pepper, some lemon pepper, some paprika, some adora, and some accent. I'm going to put some mustard in there. And some Texas hot sauce. And I got my sausage cooking. That is the noise that you hear in the background. Okay, y'all, we have reached our final point. We have the red beans with the smoked turkey leg, cornbread, sweet potatoes, Cajun sausage, and some yummy fried chicken. Thank y'all for joining me, and until next time, I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day. Hello, good people. How are you guys? Welcome to Inspiteofcreation. My name is Miss Stephanie, and I just want to take this time to welcome y'all to my channel and to let you know what you'll be getting over here at Inspiteofcreation. My number one joy is cooking. I love to cook. I will do it 9 days a week if I could. That's how much I enjoy cooking. I also enjoy going thrifting. And when I go thrifting, I mostly look at household stuff and clothing. I like to dress, but I don't want to invest a lot of money into clothing. You can look nice without spending a lot of money on clothing. So that's where I save, and I take that savings and I put it over here in cooking because that is where I want to invest my money at. I also will be bringing you guys tutorials on skincare and on hairstyles. So I welcome y'all to In Spite of Creation. I hope you subscribe. I hope you leave comments. Let me know what you guys would like to see, and I'll try my hardest to produce that. I'll be reading my comments myself. So again, welcome to In Spite of Creation. And I forgot to tell you guys, I have two girls, 35, 36, and this grandson that you see in the background, that's my little homie. That's my little buddy. He's not that little anymore. He's 13 now. So that's a few little pointers about me. And as we go throughout this journey, I'll share more with you guys. Thank you, and go out and be kind to someone.